Gold character with black border. 26 total characters. Great for mailboxes, houses, crafts and much more. Brand name: Hi-Ko Products. Hi-Ko MM-5N 3 Self-Stick Numbers Kit. GoldHy-Ko MM-5N 3 Self-Stick Numbers Kit. Gold features. Ideal for posters, signs, etc. Self-stick for convenience size. 3 CardedUse. This 3 gold numbers set wherever you need to identify or label something. The numbers are gold with a black background and are great for use on your mailbox, home, boat or other personal property. Self-stick total of 26 numbers. Model MM-5N. Top reviews from the United States. My mailbox looks great. I bought these for my mailbox and had enough left over to put in front of my house. The numbers are very visible and elegant looking. I recommend. Really pretty gold numbers. These are really good quality and the photo doesn't do them justice. The gold font is actually quite nice and would look good on just about any surface.